This question is from exercise 4E question 10 from the Edexcel book. It says, at time t seconds, the surface area of the cube is a squared centimetres and the volume is v cubic centimetres. The surface area of the cube is expanding at a constant rate of 2 squared centimetres per second. Show that dv by dt equals a half v to the power of a third. So, if we write down the information that they've given us, we have a cube here, and we don't know the lengths of each of the sides, but we do know that they're all the same. So I'm going to call them all x. Okay, that means that the volume is going to be equal to x cubed, and it tells us that the surface area is equal to a squared centimetres. Okay, I know that there's going to be 6 lots of the area of each face. Okay, so I've got the surface area is also equal to 6 times x squared. Okay, I'm going to work out what x is. So x is equal to the cubed root of v, that's v to the third. Now I'm going to substitute that in to a, so that we have the surface area in terms of v, because we can see in the equation here, we've got v. Okay, so I'm going to write a is equal to 6 x squared. X is v to the third, and that's all squared. So when I simplify this, I get 6 v to the 2 over 3. Okay, so that's what my area is equal to. Now it says that the surface area of the cube is expanding at a constant rate of 2 squared centimetres per second. So this one here is my area, and this one is time. So I've got a rate of change, which is dA by dt, because I've got area and time, and that's going to be equal to 2. So dA by dV is equal, dA by dt is equal to 2, and I need to find dV by dt. So I'm going to use my chain rule. So I've got dV by dA times dA by dt. Okay, and that will give us the rate of change of the volume with respect to time. So I know that this one here is equal to 2, and I know that A is equal to 6 v to the power of 2 over 3. So I can differentiate dA by dV, and that will give us something close to dV by dA. Okay, at the end we just need to flip it over. So I'm going to differentiate dA by dV. So I've got 6 times, I bring the power down, v, and then I take 1 away, so I get minus a third. Okay, and simplifying that again, we get 4v to the minus a third. Okay, so that's dA by dV. That means that if I want to know dV by dA, I'm going to have 1 over all of that, which is the same as a quarter times v to the third. Okay, so I'm going to have here, I'm going to substitute that in for dV by dA. So we get v to the third over 4 times by 2, and that gives me dV by dt. So simplifying that again, 2 divided by 4 gives us a half. So I am left with v to the third over 2, and that is dV by dt.